2 years ago, we realized that we had everything that could possibly make us happy.
What do you think? Is this fun so far?
Yeah.
I like going downhill better.
A great and fulfilling career, a beautiful family, a wonderful church home, and a good group of friends. But there was something missing. There was something unsettled in the back of our minds.
We decided it was time to take the big leap. So we bought an RV with plans to travel the country for a year. Of course, things have not always been very smooth. There have been struggles with our business, struggles with our RV, and struggles with our finances. But this has been one of the best things we've ever done.
Right now, you're probably asking yourself, why am I here? Why are you here? And I'm glad that you asked. On this channel, you're going to see a brand new video every Friday that shows some of the amazing places that we explore. And it's going to give you a glimpse into what it's like to live full-time in a trailer. But that's not really why I want you to watch.
You're going to want to watch us as we explore the unseen, because it's going to help give you a little inspiration to take on that next challenge in your life, to help you take a step in the direction in the life you've always dreamed about.
Now, the Millers are not superstars. Everybody that knows us can tell you that. So if we can take a leap of faith and sell everything that we have to travel the road for a year, then you can take that next step towards your dream also. You can start that new business that you've always dreamed of. You can go back to school to get that degree that you've been thinking about. Or you can find a way to save some money to go on a trip and visit an amazing place that you've never seen before. But whatever it is that brings you back every week, we can't wait to meet you. And we hope that you'll enjoy as we travel and explore the unseen.